Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my supper is thick blocks of deep fried bean curd topped with a sticky sauce and fried veggies. Ingredients: thick blocks of deep fried bean curd, 2 seeds, sliced onion 50 gram, carrot 20 gram, Chinese cabbage 50 gram, Shimeji, species of edible mushroom 1 pack, salad oil teaspoon 1, bonito stock juice 100 cc, soy sauce teaspoon 1, Katakuriko, potato starch teaspoon 1, water teaspoon 1. How to cook it? 1. Burn both sides of thick blocks of deep fried bean curd. Too long, huh? This in Japanese, 厚揚げ. Thick blocks of deep fried bean curd in a pan. 2. After burning the blocks put them on a plate. 3. Fry onions, carrots, Chinese cabbages, and shimeji with bonito stock and soy sauce for about 5 minutes. 4. Dissolve potato starch with water. This is A. 5. Add A on the fried veggies in a pan. This is B. 7. Put B on the thick blocks. 厚揚げ. My cooking has been finished. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. いただきます。These are 厚揚げ. These are vegetables: carrot, onion, shimeji, Chinese cabbage, egg, vegetables, into a pan and fry them. bonito stock juice 100cc. And soy sauce 1 teaspoon. My cooking has been finished. Now it's time to eat. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. いただきます。